pencils, please put your name at the top of your paper. Okay, so this week we're going to be talking about subtracting tens. We've been doing adding tens for a couple of weeks, and now we're going to talk about subtracting them. So, the front side of this paper kind of helps us see what to do with the different columns of tens and ones, and then on the back we're going to try it without the base 10 blocks. So if you look at the first one, we always start in the ones column. So we have 7 ones, and we're going to cross off 6 of them. And if you do that, how many are left? Just 1. So now look at the tens column. We have 6 minus 3. So there's 6 10 blocks, and let's cross off 3 of them. And how many do we have left? We have 3 left. So with our adding, we had to draw base 10 blocks, and with subtracting, we're just going to take them away. Okay? So start here with ones. We have 8 ones here, and it says to subtract 0, so we just have 8 left. And if I have 2 tens and I take away 1, then how many are left? Just 1. Okay, so let's go over here to 9 minus 5. So there's 9 there. Let's cross off 5. When I take 5 away, how many are left? 4. And then 4, take away 1 is 3. So now let's go to 48 minus 23. So I have 8 ones. I'm going to take away 3. And then I have 4 tens. I'm going to take away 2. So that means I have how many ones left? 5. And I have 2 tens left. Okay. So let's keep going to the last 4 problems. I go 6 minus 4, so I take away 4. That leaves me with 2. And then I have 5 tens, and I take away 2. I have 3 left. 65 minus 32, so I start here. I have 5. How many am I going to take away? Yeah, I'm going to cross off 2, and that leaves me with 3. Then I have 6 tens, and I'm going to take away 3. And how many are left? Yeah, 3. Okay. 7 ones, I take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And that means I have 4 left. And now I have 7 tens. I'm going to take away 3 of them. And how many left there? 4. Okay, so our last one is 5 ones. I take away 1. That's 4. I have 3 tens, and I take away 1. That leaves me with 2. All right, let's take a look at the back side. So we're going to take a look at these ones and just give it a try. Okay, so remember, we just start with the ones column, we subtract it. So 9 minus 4. Count back 4. 8, 7, 6, 5. So the answer is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. If you want to, you can draw the line again. That helps you see the difference between the two numbers. Okay, let's do 5 minus 0. What is that? It's 5. And 5 minus 4? 1. All right, draw the line here. We have 4 minus 0 is 4. And 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so on this one, we don't really need to draw the line because we know this is just going to stay 0. And what's 8 minus 1? Yeah, it's going to be 7. Okay, what's 3 minus 2? Use your number line. It's 1. And 6 minus 1 is 5. All right, let's draw the line. This one's a little bit harder. Let's do 8 minus 6. So get your number line, start on 8, count back 6. What did you stop on? 2. start on 5, count back 4. Stop on 1. Okay, I want you to try these last 3 on your own and see if you're able to do it, which I know you can. You can do it. So try those and then turn it into your teacher.